Hi everyone, I'm Annie here. Yeah, this is the video to show you the special sales kit for March, and yeah, also is the game kit. Cause the kit will receive one of these huge 18 and with the printer, yeah, rapid. But yeah, for you, if you want to you have to paint the egg so that you can alter your egg with all these yummy goodies, the laces, apricot, everything here. So yeah, I have to print. But if you don't want to, if you still want to use this image, you can use this apricot, cut the oval shape and just show this bunny out, yeah, as a image. This is just what is my idea. Yes, so yeah, for the egg you open. Oh, okay, sorry. Open like so you can put the mini inside. So yeah, so we'll create this egg shape of the page, so you can alter the mini album with the images. So yeah, on most of the image I will use this like this kind of the color, because I want to match with vintage, like a vintage, because all these laces here I already tea dye, and this one is avocado dye. Yeah, you cannot see from the camera, is very pretty pinkish, like a dusty pink color. So yeah, so you get all these over the shape of the images, so you can create your album, tiny album, with all these beautiful items. And this also I haven't dried to wet. Avocado dye, so, and the beautiful flower, and also this kind of the beautiful flower. Okay, so yeah, this is the special sales kit, and so that you have many items in this kit, and I will not show you now. Also, you can see the bowl, tiny bowl, so you can alter. Okay, so yeah, for the kit you will have 1 2 3 4 5 pages, and I still have no idea how to bind it yet, because maybe, yeah, just punch a hole, or you can just use the trim to join together, and all the pages join the bottom part here. So yeah, just flip like so. Okay, so yeah, this is the kit with all these yummy goodies, and also with the beautiful trim here. So yeah, please place your order under the comments, and this is first come first serve order. And yeah, once you receive the invoice, please make your payment as soon as possible. And yeah, so beautiful is the Peter Rabbit. Okay, so yeah, thanks again for everyone, and bye bye.